Hi guys. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today on 8/27/2020. We are going to be working on Unit 1, Lesson 2. So you're going to scroll, well, we're going to be on Grade 7, Science. Scroll all the way down to enter here. You're going to still go into Unit number 1. And you are this time going to go into Lesson 2 and click on Lesson. So the YouTube video will be linked right in here once I finish this. Students will complete a hanging hashtag activity. Part 1 is synchronous teaching, where I'm going to teach about what is the difference between weather versus climate. And part 2 is you guys are going to watch a video, and then you are going to do a sort and label, which I will explain. So after this lesson, I can compare and contrast weather and climate. So I'm just going to switch to a PowerPoint very quickly. So our big essential question is, how are weather and climate different? So weather is very short term. It's kind of what we see on a daily basis. It's what we see our weatherman predicting, and we use climate in order to predict what our weather is going to be. Climate is very long term. It's an average of all the weather. It measures extreme weather patterns so we can see if it's going to happen again. Also, please enjoy this meme. The cold actually does bother me. That is why I moved from Ohio to North Carolina, because the cold does bother me. Okay. If you are seeing this video in class, we are going to be doing this on our Zoom call. So you're just going to go through here and you're going to tell me a smiley face if it's a weather situation, or a thumbs up reaction if it's a climate situation. So you can go through those on your own, and we're going to go through them in class. Back to Canvas. I got to move myself. Back to Canvas. And we're going to do an activity called hanging hashtags. So you're going to go to whatever Jamboard you are in. So if you're in Core 1, we'll just click on that one. And you are going to create a hashtag for all these different photos. So in order to create a hashtag, you're going to go to Sticky Note. And then you're going to put, like for this one, I would put hashtag crazy emotions, crazy weather emotions. Save it. And then you have a sticky note, and that is what hanging hashtags is. I'm going to go ahead and delete it for class. Okay, so that is the first thing you're going to do. Then I'm going to go back and teach kind of what I did just teach you about weather and climate, a very quick overview. This is a teacher PowerPoint. You don't have to use it, only if you missed the lesson. Then we're going to be all watching a video together. You can watch that on your own, and then you're going to say what the difference between climate and weather is in complete sentences. You're going to hit reply. Once you hit reply and answer, then you can see other people's answers. Then we're going to be doing a sort and label. It's going to look something like this. It is going to be, I'm going to move myself for just a second. So for the first part, you're going to see all these different situations on the sides, and you are going to have to take the situation and tell me whether it is part of weather or climate. So you just take it in this little upper right-hand corner and you move it to where you need it to go. Then for part 2, you are going to be making up your own situations. You're going to put 3 weather situations and 3 climate situations. Once you finish that, you're going to submit it in the Google Assignments. And then you are going to be done for the day. Once you hit Unit 1, Lesson 3, you are done for the day. We are only working on Unit 1, Lesson 2.